Hello, my name is Chris Minogue. I'm the Internet Manager here for Acura of Limerick, and today we're going to be talking about the 2019 Acura ILX Premium A-Spec Edition. First thing you're going to notice is the 2019 ILX went to the diamond pentagon front grille with the dual eye LED headlight design. The vehicle also comes with our LED fog lights. Coming over here, you have your alloy wheels with the A-Spec badging right here. The vehicle also has keyless access. What that means is if you have the key in your pocket, just walk up to any driver or passenger door, put your hand inside, it will unlock the door for you, or you can simply press this little black button right here to lock the doors. When you open the door, the passenger has a four-way power passenger seat with the black leather with the black suede inserts. The A-Spec version can also have this all red as well with the black suede inserts as well. The vehicle comes with blind spot monitoring system, which is built into the side mirrors. Coming over here into the trunk area, you're going to notice that there is a black deck lid spoiler. One quick touch to pop the trunk. The trunk area has a very, very deep space with the ability to fold the seats down just by lifting this little lever right here. It'll release the back of the seat, and you can fold that down to get extra storage. Underneath here, you have your tire inflator kit, as well as right here, you have your 3-stage backup camera, which is wide angle, normal angle, and directly to the ground. Coming over here, you're going to have easy access with 2 cup holders for the passenger seats. Spending where you're going to spend most of your time is going to be in the driver's seat, so let's go ahead and take a look to see what we have. You're going to have your multi-way power driver's seat with lumbar support, your dual memory seats, all of your power windows and locks. The vehicle is also equipped with Acura Watch. Acura Watch is going to be your road departure mitigation, your collision mitigation braking system, your lane keep assist, and your adaptive cruise control. The vehicle has automatic headlights, automatic fog lights, as well as all of your controls are built into the steering wheel. So you have your radio controls right here, your cell phone controls are right here, your information screens are right here, as well as your cruise control functions are right here. You do have the ability to go to paddle shifters if you want to emulate manual transmission. The vehicle also in the gauges are all red out for the A-Spec edition, as well as the pedals are aluminum right there as well. There's multiple things that you can display on the top screen. Right now we have displayed the trip computer. You can display your cell phone like call histories and missed calls, or you can hit the smartphone button. That has Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. You'll be able to take your cell phone, plug it into our USB port, and throw it up top there for all the approved apps. So you can use things like Waze, Google Maps, even stream Pandora and things of that nature, and see your apps right there. The radio is a simple one-touch screen. You have your dual climate controls right here, your heated seats, your handbrake. You have your electrochromatic mirror, your 3 garage door openers, and last but not least, the sunroof. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.